In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix snapping not working in AutoCAD. Start by enabling Object Snap using the F3 key or by clicking the Object Snap button on the status bar. Once enabled, move your cursor near an object and check whether it snaps to key points such as endpoints, midpoints, or centers. If snapping still does not work, open the Object Snap settings by typing OSNAP in the command line and pressing Enter. Make sure the snap modes you need are checked, such as endpoint, midpoint, intersection, and center. These settings help AutoCAD accurately detect and snap to important geometric points. You can also verify that no conflicting drafting settings are interfering with object snap behavior. Proper snap settings improve drawing accuracy and make creating precise geometry much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.